Hello SiLLibakers, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking a quinoa breakfast bake. So I know that many of you probably have a great baked oatmeal recipe in your repertoire. I have many. And if you'd like me to share some of those recipes with you, let me know in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to do so. But today we're talking quinoa. And the reason for that is sometimes I want something that's a bit more nutrient dense. And quinoa is going to be more nutrient dense than oatmeal. So quinoa has more protein, more fiber, more iron, and also almost double the amount of magnesium, phosphorus, and zinc, which are all essential nutrients that we need. So this breakfast bake is incredibly versatile. You can change up the fruit, you can change up the milk, and you can change up the sweetener. So you do you. Today I did a combination of peaches and blueberries because those are two of my favorite fruits. But I often make this with mixed berries or just blueberries or even just peaches. It really just depends on what I have in my fridge and in my freezer. So let's make a blueberry peach quinoa breakfast bake. I like to grease my pan just before baking, just so the quinoa doesn't stick. You're gonna add your fruit of choice. Again, I'm doing peaches, 1 cup, and also 1 cup of blueberries. Again, you can do 2 cups of whatever fruit you like. Berries are the best usually. Then you're gonna add 1 cup of rinsed quinoa. Then you're gonna grab your measuring cup, add 2 cups of milk, 2 eggs, and you're gonna give that a little mix. Then I added 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. You can do whatever sweetener you like. 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. I use Ceylon cinnamon. A pinch of salt, about 1/4 teaspoon. And I did 1 serving of vanilla protein powder. I use the Sun Warrior brand. Now, give everything a really good thorough mix. You're gonna pour that mixture over your quinoa and fruit. And just grab a spoon or spatula and just ensure that all of the quinoa is submerged. Also, don't forget about the stragglers on the side of the pan there. Just make sure everything is submerged. I added 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds on the top, just for a little extra protein and omega-3s. Put your lid on and bake for 50 to 60 minutes until the liquid is absorbed. 1 serving is approximately 7 grams of protein. I love to add 1 serving of Greek yogurt, which will then give you about 25 grams of protein per serving. You can refrigerate your quinoa bake for 4 to 5 days or freeze the remaining for up to 3 months. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to our channel for more healthy sweet treats. Until next time, happy baking.